So if you have a refrigerator like mine and a water fill station, every time you pull that glass away, you get a little bit of water that drips out. Over time, this water is going to dry up, leaving silica, magnesium, and calcium buildup. Now, hot soapy water won't dissolve it, and if you use anything abrasive, all you're going to do is scratch that plastic and push that mineral salt around. So we're going to use some gentle chemistry to remove it instead. So you can clean that tray on your refrigerator, but if you have a removable tray like I do, I'd recommend pulling it off, and I'm going to work on this by the sink. So we're going to use a little chemistry to dissolve these mineral salts. You can do this with a solution of citric acid, but what I'm going to do, I have it handy, I'm going to spray this plastic tray down with vinegar. This is a 5% solution of acetic acid, and it will not harm that plastic at all. So I'm just going to spray everything down, get it good and wet, and then I want it to soak for about a half an hour. Now, in order to make sure that my solution doesn't drip off or evaporate and dry, I'm going to put a paper towel over the area I just soaked, and then I'm just going to spray it down some more. So again, between 30 minutes and an hour, I'm just going to let this wet paper towel of either citric acid or vinegar sit across this. After an hour, I'm just going to take that wet paper towel, rub it gently on the plastic, and what it's going to do is it's going to remove all that mineral. Now, my family does use a lot of stainless steel cups, so there are some scratches that I can't get rid of, but all of the mineral buildup is gone. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.